This module focuses on the web page Wizer and how it can be implemented in the social studies classroom. Participants in this module will understand how to create an interactive worksheet using the basic functions of Wizer. What is Wizer? Wizer allows a teacher to create interactive and engaging online worksheets. A teacher can include the following tasks in their worksheet: open questions, multiple choice, fill in the blanks, fill in on an image, matching, table, sorting, drawing, text, image, video, links, embeds, and discussions. Students are able to answer questions manually and also verbally. This is a nice feature when differentiating for students. This web page can be used to create online web quests, as well as change your current worksheets into interactive ones. Logging in. To access Wizer, you can search for the web page in Google or type app.wizer.me in the URL bar. To create an account, select Join in the upper right-hand corner. It will ask what kind of account you would like to create, and you will choose Teacher. To make it easy, select Sign Up with Google and use your WCPS login to create your account. Students will also join using their WCPS Google login. Searching community for worksheets. To see what the software can allow you to do, you can search the community for already created worksheets. To do this, select Explore in the top toolbar. You can then search for content in the toolbar or choose a category on the left-hand side of the page. For this module, I will choose the category Social Studies. This brings up a plethora of already created content. Select a worksheet to view, and if you like the worksheet, you can choose to make a copy at the top of the page. So I'm going to choose this Making Inferences, Central Idea of Informational Text. As I look through, it's telling me about King Tut. You can see that there are different passages here, and I'm looking at the central ideas. So I like this, and I'm going to choose Copy Worksheet. This allows me to make a copy, and then I can also make changes to fit the needs of my students before assigning them the work. Now, if I would like to create a worksheet, I will select Create a Worksheet in the top toolbar. In the editor, it will allow me to select a design. There's a lot of different ones here. I can title the worksheet and add any identifying details for the community to search. Then you can begin adding content. Select the task you would like to add first. For this module, I will choose a worksheet that I have already created. So I have selected the design, and I have titled my worksheet Yellow Journalism and American Imperialism, and I have entered my identifying information. When I began using the text box in order to add directions for the worksheets. Then I clicked Done. To add content, I would come down to Add a Task. So this is where I selected the text. Then I selected the task, Image. In the image task, I chose to upload an image, but I can also choose to search for an image using already populated images in the web page. I then added the task of an open question. I went through and built my worksheet just like this, and it is saved automatically. But if you want to be sure, you can click the Save button in the upper right-hand corner. I can also preview my worksheet at any time by selecting the Preview button in the top toolbar. This will allow me to see what students will see when working. Now, to assign to students, Wizer gives you multiple options. You want to select Assign to Students at the top of the worksheet you created. This will provide you a box that gives you multiple options to send the worksheet. When I assign, I create an individual assignment for each individual class. As you can see, I have assigned this individually to my Mod 1 US Studies class and my Mod 3 US Studies class, rather than creating just one US Studies. This organizes my classes so that I can assess and gather data for each class easily. So I've created a name for the class. And if I would like to create another assignment, I will select that button. And I might title this US Studies 2, maybe for my mod, actually for my mod 2. I also have options here for assignment settings. So if I would like to keep this assignment closed for a while, I can lock it, but I'm going to keep it open. If I would like to shuffle questions, I can also check this box to do that. I have options to then push this out to Google Classroom, Edmodo. I can get the link for the web page so that I can put it on a class website or other learning management system like Schoology. I can get the PIN number, so when students sign in to wizer.me, they can then add that PIN number in and go directly to the worksheet. Or I can receive the embed code that I can then embed this worksheet into my class website. Students will click the link or sign into Wizer using their Google login and putting the PIN number in to get to the web worksheet. In order to assess student answers, I will then go up to Answers at the top of the worksheet. It will bring up the student's name in the left-hand side of the page. I can then see each individual student's responses and see what scores they have already received for multiple choice, and then with open questions, I can give them a score and feedback. Once complete for each student, I would select in the upper right-hand side of the page, Apply Feedback. So where this button says Sent to Student, it would actually say Apply Feedback, and then this score will be sent to the student.